Today we're heading to Mackinac Island with my parents, since they were able to visit us while we were up in the UP. My mom has always loved Mackinac Island, so we were happy to explore it with them. Since this is not our typical trip, we thought we'd also share 4 frugal tips when visiting Mackinac Island. Certain times of the day, the ferries have a slightly longer trip to the island, which takes a detour by the Mackinac Bridge. There's no additional cost, and you can get a great view of the bridge, even if you go on a gloomy day. And who really minds a slightly longer ferry ride, right?
Did you pay attention to a few quick announcements? Please remain seated until the vessel can be secured to the dock, and luggage carts are unloaded. Please watch your step, both at the stairwells and at
First off, there's nothing cheap in Mackinac Island. In 2021, the ferry ride alone was $27, so an additional $34 for a carriage ride made us think a little harder. That being said, the Carriage Tour is a worthwhile trip, especially for those who can't get around as quickly or as easily, and it made sense for our group. If you do choose to go on a carriage tour, make sure to get a time as soon as you get on the island. This is obviously a popular activity, and these time slots fill up quickly. I learned that buying tickets beforehand doesn't save you any time or money. You still have to stand in line to get your scheduled time. If you have a larger group, send one person ahead to buy the tickets. Some believe you don't get the full experience of Mackinac without riding on it, so you'll have to decide that for yourself. Those free fudge samples are the gateway drug to buying way too much fudge, while saying that you're bringing it home for the family.
Just say no.
I know.
And man, that stuff is expensive. Make sure to bring healthy snacks and water bottles with you, at least to eat and drink between the fudge samples. I didn't find it particularly easy to find healthy or inexpensive snack options, though I'm sure that the dark chocolate espresso fudge has tons of antioxidants, so it's healthier, right? Even if you do the whole carriage tour and walk around downtown, you're missing the best part of Mackinac Island if you don't have a bike. If you ride a bike for more than 1 hour, you'll make up the cost in ferrying your bike over. It was $13 in 2021. I thoroughly enjoyed the bike ride around the island, and you'll be happy you brought water bottles, since some of those sections are a little hilly.
So it's just off the bike trail.
It was so windy over
We're on
there.
a rocky ledge right here. It goes straight down from here, but it gives a great view of Lake Michigan. I'm gonna record this so Lori has documentation. She didn't push me.
For insurance purposes only.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that is beautiful. I was like, I want it.
This is kind of cool.
It is awesome.
It's like a European city.
It does look like. Oui, oui, baguette.
Yeah.
All right, Sarah, this is your house.
Got it.
Oh, wow, look at that. That is pretty awesome.
We found a secret path. This is supposed to be the path to Narnia. We hope this is it. But so far, absolutely beautiful. The trail starts at a scenic pull-off near Port Dolomite. Most folks would likely not realize that that trail continues for several miles. The path starts off easily and then increases in difficulty. You'll need to climb over several large boulders on your way. It's around a 2-mile hike into Narnia, so not terribly long, but make sure to bring water and a lunch or snacks, since you'll likely stop a lot to take in the amazing views, like we did. Welcome to Narnia. After that hike, we were pretty hungry, so we thought, why not make a complicated meal like Baja fish tacos? We were going to try to use a breading, but use the Blackstone to grill the perch we caught the day before. There's limited countertop space, but you can make it work even for these multi-step prep meals. Working hard. There you go.
None of the food is sponsored by anybody.
No, it is not. Alright, hold on.
I'm hungry.
Alright, we have our fried perch and some corned bean salsa and yeah, that stuff.
It's actually pretty good with the corn salsa.